Okay, so guys, it has been a long time since I posted a video, and I'm very sorry for that, but please do not skip off this video. Please watch the whole thing, because it is really good, and it gets better at the end. But before it starts, I want to show you a clip. Me and my older sister, Gracie, did a boxing video. We, did some boxing in the pool, water boxing. She annihilated me. She wrecked my world. Boom, KO'd, gone. She absolutely obliterated me. So I'm going to show a little 8-second highlight reel of that video. And yeah, we might do an actual YouTube video of that soon. So stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss it when we do post it. So yeah, we'll bring GoPros in the water, have all up close and person. Bang. Wow. Yeah. I was gone. Gone. Yeah. So, alright, make sure to watch out. I'm sorry, you probably are done hearing me talk and want to just see the video. So here we go. Oh. And by the way, happy 4th of July. I'm crazy. Y'all know what this means. I got the paddle. I'm going yak fishing. Oh! I just lost one right at the boat. Did you see that, Gracie? Did you see that? Guys, I cannot believe that just happened. What the heck? Ah, you saw that, guys. Finally got one. Come on. Finally. First fish. First fish today. That took way too long. There you go. I probably won't even make this video if that's the only fish I catch. Oh guys, I got one. There we go. That's a big one. He's going around the post though. Oh, there he is. Yes. Oh, that's a chungus. He's splashing me. Yes. Yes, sir. What? Too bad we can't what? Oh yeah, I'd say 4-pounder. Yes. 3.5, 4, yeah. Yes, right under the dock. Finally, a fish worth showing you. There we go. That's a toad right there, babies. What a mouth too. Oh yeah, got a big old belly right there. Oh yeah, that is a fat mama. This girl probably just fattened up after having her babies. She either was guarding her fry or just guarded it and went and fattened up on some bluegill right under the dock. Because I caught her on a Senko right under the dock, weightless Senko. She wrapped around the dock a few times, but I ended up getting this fatty out. Let's release her. Oh wow, just to say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe because I've got some really good content coming up, thinking some fire